Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Elgato Key Light Mini. All right, so why is it mini? Well, in the studio here, we actually have two big key lights that we use. But if we're portable, right, if we hook up our camera to a tripod and maybe doing something downstairs or outside or whatever else, we might need light, right? So we said, well, let's check out the Mini. So here it is. All right, let's take it out of the box, find out what the scoop is. All right, comes with directions. It's kind of nice. And it's got the light itself. Oh, that's really small. Look at this thing. It's nice. It's pretty nice. It's small. It's lightweight. Well, it's not that light. Actually, it's got a good heft to it. Let's see what else it comes with. It comes with Get Connected. Ooh, look at that. Ripped it open. And it comes with a cable. Some other documentation, which I don't think we need. Right, and I think that's it. That's everything out of there. All right, so that's it. It's very simple, easy. If you look at this whole thing, it's got a nice diffusion panel. It's just like the big key lights, a nice diffusion panel on it. It's got a power on button on the side, adjustment for both intensity as well as color temperature. Not color, but color temperature. And it's got a USB, I believe it's USB-C. Let's see. Yes, a USB-C adapter. In fact, it's kind of interesting. Check this out. I haven't seen this in a power connector before, but so USB-A on one end, and then it's got this cool USB-C thing you can mount here. Look at this. So it mounts on this thing like that, so it's out of the way. It's actually it's a pretty good design. I like that. That's pretty neat. I think that's pretty cool. So I've already got it charged up. We don't need to worry about the cable now. But there you go. And then I'm going to turn it on. It's going to blind us here for a second. So I'll press the button here. And it's on. So there you go. I'll put it up in the air so you don't have to worry about blinding it. See me. All right. And it's kind of a yellow temperature, but you can change this thing as well. So right now I can change the intensity. Right. So I'm lowering it down. Or I can raise it up. All right. So it gets pretty bright. As you can tell, it's pretty bright. So I'm going to lower it back down again here. Okay. Because it's pretty bright. What's really nice, though, is that you don't see the LEDs because the diffusion panel does such a great job. So you don't see the individual LEDs, which can really be obnoxious. And then if I press the button here, this dial on the side, press it again, now I can change the color temperature. So I can make it get more yellow or more blue. So you see how it's blue or more yellow. Now the other thing that comes with this thing is it has a quarter-inch 20 thread screw on it, so you can mount it. So for example, let me see, I have a thing over here. If I wanted to mount this, for example, on a cold shoe, I have one of these little cold shoe adapters. I can take this and mount it on here. And now I can just mount that. So if I have a little rig to film with, I'm all set. I can hook that whole thing up. So that's pretty nice, pretty decent. Now it's only on one side, so it doesn't have holes on each side. And then in the back is the power, so you can tell if the battery's charged. In our case, it's all the lights are lit up, so it's all charged. And there's a Wi-Fi light. So the Wi-Fi light is because I have my handy dandy app over here. So I loaded the Elgato app for Control Center. And by the way, this works on your Mac or on your phone. And what's cool is now, instead of doing this with the buttons on the side, I can come in here and I can say I want to change the intensity. Ooh, look at that. Oh, man, it's really bright. I can change the intensity, so get it up and down, or I can change the color temp. And then what I like about this when you use it here is that you can kind of give finer control. And if you look on the app, you watch it here, it shows you the color temp. So for example, this is, let's see if I can get it right, where I want it to be 4,000 Kelvin. So that's kind of cool. And then you got your intensity. So that's 12%. That's 44%. There's the 100%. Back down to 3%. So you can get it pretty low. So it's pretty nice. So that's it. That's the Elgato Key Light Mini. Thank you.